Okay, so first of all, start with Euro USD chart to see in a higher time frame perspective what happening in a higher time frame. And as you can see in a major time frame, Euro USD is a bearish, and lower time frame, higher time frame, every time frame is a bearish. So where is the next stop in a Euro USD as per the higher time frame perspective? So basically, this is a weekly chart perspective. And now you can see market is ultimately bearish and creating lower lows and pushing continue in a downside. So let's look at the 1 month structure. Actually, 1 month is not in our trading style like for the intraday, but we are looking a higher time frame perspective, and it's take a years, maybe few years to complete the cycles. But I will explain that why and how and why euro usd dropping continue a downside, and what where is the next stop in a euro usd. Okay, so basically you can see once market break this structure which is here, this was our actual break of structure which is here, because market took out the previous high which is here. I'm talking about the monthly perspective. This is a monthly chart. One single candle is a monthly candle. So this is our measure high or low. Okay, and before this measure high or low, this was our break of structure. Correct. Break of structure is here. Why I'm marking in a higher time frame? Because I want to show you exactly that why major time frame actually work and why it's important, because same thing work in a lower time frame. Correct. So at this point you can see market break the structure. Before the market push downside, market take out the previous high, which is act like an inducement. Correct. And then what happened? Market push downside, unable to hold this demand zone, which is here. Obviously, this is a bullish inducement is here. If market is a bearish, correct, in a previous, in a past here, correct. So this is our inducement, correct. If market was bullish, so this become our inducement, correct. So I don't know what was the market in the past. Okay, so what happened here? This is our measure low, measure high, and then market push downside, break this structure. So generally this is a break of structure and create most recent high, which is here. And this one is our called inducement. And after this inducement, market taken out this inducement and push downside and create a new structure, which is here. And again, market break this structure, which is here. And this one is also break of structure and market pushing downside, downside. And finally, market create new low is here. And in this case, where is our inducement? You can see this is our first inducement, correct? And where is our engineering liquidity? So in this case, is this move is our engineering liquidity, correct? And this is our very shorter block. Okay, this is a zone where we can sell, correct? So this one is our engineering liquidity, this one is inducement. So basically these 2 points before this sell, I mean in a sell side. Okay, so generally these are criteria. When market break this measure high, which is here, then market shift bearish to bullish. Okay, if I'm talking about this both move, so these are bearish trend, looks like this. correct? And then we are still expecting a downside because market is a bearish. But after break this major structure, market turn bearish to bullish. But before this break of structure, we are expecting price push downside. Why? Because market is a bearish. Okay. So same thing happen here. Market tap here and give us some reaction, and then market push higher. After break this structure, market turn bearish to bullish. And this is an indication, first indication for the reversal. So where is our next high or low? Is here. Correct. Why this one? Because it took out the previous most recent low is here. Correct. Why? Because this is our inducement. Market change bearish to bullish, and this one is our first inducement is here. And at this point, some demand, order block probably, and then market push higher. And again, what happened here? Break the structure. Correct. And after break this structure, where is our next stop for the buy and sell? So this is our new range is here. Correct. And you can see market push higher after taking out this inducement. So where is our zone when we are looking for the buy and sell? So you can see first inducement is here. Correct. And the engineering point is here. Sorry. Yeah. And this order block is our extreme order block when we are still expecting price to continue higher. Okay. But price unable to hold this zone, and price gave us some reaction to the upside, but did not break this structure and unable to break this high. And then what happened? Market pushed downside. And finally, market break this major structure is here. So in a higher time frame perspective, in a Euro USD, market completely broke this structure. And in a monthly chart, market is a bearish trend. Let me change the color first to see exactly. Correct. So these all, okay. And then market break the structure. So in this case, where is our new high or low? You can see market taking out this low. So this high become our inducement. Okay. And after this inducement, where is our supply zone? You have to remember two things. Once market sweep this low and close above it, then you have to apply anti-tap 3, then you can buy. Correct. And in this case, you don't need to wait for the mitigate any demand and supply zone. And in this, at this point, market taken out the first inducement, and you have to wait for the candle closer. And in this case, market close above it, then you have to apply anti-tap 2 for the sell. And the another entry is on the engineering liquidity, which is here. Correct. Because above this, there is something here. This order block. Correct. So this one is our engineering liquidity, and this become our new lower low. Is here. And these are 2 points when we are looking for the sell. First, after taking out the inducement, and second, after taking out this engineering liquidity, because market momentum shift bullish to bearish. Okay. So now, where is our next stop in a Euro USD? Right now, we can see market break the structure is here and close below it. I hope 12 day left. If market close below it, okay, end of the month, if market close below it, then we are still expecting price push downside. Okay. Why? Because market close below it, and this is our boss break of structure, and then probably we can expect some pullback like this, and then first inducement taken out, and then pushed again downside. Okay. And then looking for the upside move. Why? Because this is a monthly perspective, and in a years, this can be a break of structure. And at this point, this can be a higher time frame demand zone, right? So we can see some buying reaction here to the upside, correct? So basically, this is a zone when we are anticipating price go higher in a higher time frame perspective, and to it's take a lot of time to finish to tap this demand zone and then push higher, correct? So this is a general idea in a monthly perspective, and overall picture is a bearish in a monthly perspective. It doesn't mean that every day will be market drop, because we are a day trader and we don't need to wait for the monthly, weekly, and daily 4 hour perspective, because we trade based on the M15, M20, and M1 prospect to entry. Correct. So this is a basic idea about Euro USD in a higher time frame perspective, and these are our main high and low. Exactly. Correct. Now let's switch into the weekly perspective to see exactly when we can expect a pullback before the buy and sell. So at this point, if I mark here weekly chart, correct? So where is our most recent high or low before the buy or sell? So some people say generally this one is a boss and chalk. As you can see, this is a boss and this one is a boss. And actually these are not boss or chalk. Actually measure boss and measure high or low, you have to mark first before the mark boss or chalk. So these our measure high, sorry, measure low, correct? And measure high is a here in a weekly perspective, because between this high or low, market did not take any low, correct? So this is not our break of structure. This one is our inducement as per the weekly perspective, correct? And this one is our inducement, and this is our demand zone, because this is an inducement. And where is the extreme, which is here and at this point, and this low is act like a engineering liquidity, which is here, correct? So basically this was point when we are expecting to push higher, correct? But after break this structure, actually major structure in a weekly perspective is broken right now. Okay, so monthly is also break the structure, weekly is also bearish. So where is the next pullback zone before the sell? So after break this structure, right now market create this high, this act like a inducement, and once market taken out this high, when we can sell here. Okay, so once market taken out this high, then we can sell, and like this. Okay, and then push downside, something like this. And on this, so generally this is idea in a weekly perspective in a Euro USD. Now let's switch into the daily chart. In a daily perspective, market is also bearish and creating lower lows. You can see if I mark here most recent high or low, which is here. In this zone, there is nothing here. Correct. And this is our structure. Okay, so this is our daily structure in a Euro USD right now, and still is a bearish. And right now, this one is a extreme zone, and this one is our engineering liquidity in as per the daily, sorry, yeah, daily perspective. And this is a zone when we are looking for the anticipating price push or downside. Okay, so and at this point, this is a minor structure. This is a single leg and little bit price trying to push or develop like this. Okay, and then we are anticipating this act like an inducement here, and then we can expect again price push downside. These are two scenario possible in a daily time frame in a Euro USD. Correct. Now let's switch into the 4 hour to see exactly what happening here. In every time frame, market momentum is a bearish. And in a 4 hour perspective, market still taking out this high, and this is our major high, and this one break the structure right here and push downside. And at this point, single leg break the structure, and price must be taken out this high before the sell. And this one is our inducement. Okay, and sell above this high, possibly here. Like this. Okay, so as per the 4 hour perspective, market is still bearish. Price must be taken out this high before the sell. And why this high? Because market create this as a single leg like this. Okay, then market taken out this high, then we can sell. If maybe this is a short-term pullback and then push higher, go continue push higher to mitigate extreme this zone. This is a daily extreme, correct? After taking out this engineering liquidity. Okay, so this high, this 4 hour high act like inducement engineering liquidity for the daily perspective, correct? So right now is a this is a happening in a 4 hour in a Euro USD, but we are still bearish in every time frame. But lower time frame, what lower time frame saying? So let me show you exactly. First switch into the 1 hour, then we can switch into the 15 minute to see exactly. So price must be taken out this high, okay, because this is an inducement for the 4 hour. And market break this structure, sorry, taken out this liquidity in a downside. Now switch into the 15 minute. Okay, so break the structure is here, taking out this high, which is here, correct? And this one is our 15-minute inducement, which is here. And between this high or low, okay, this is a single leg, correct? And this is a single leg, and because market break the structure right here, okay? So in this leg, we can also mark this as an inducement and this high as a supply, right? And at this point, this is our engineering liquidity, which is already mitigated here. So at this point, we can see some sell reaction for the short term before the continue go higher. And this zone, okay, and this low act like a inducement. like this, correct? So overall, this is a scenario in a Euro USD in a 15-minute, because market is a bearish and trying to recover upside before the downside. So major time frame is a bearish in a Euro USD, and market trying to recover upside, and then we can see some more or downside move in upcoming months, maybe months and upcoming years, because major higher time frame narrative is a bearish. Okay, but in a lower time frame like 15-minute and 4 hour is trying to recover upside before the major sell. So this is a overall story in a Euro USD in a higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, so price must be taken out this high before the sell, correct? So I think now switch into the another pair in a GBP USD. Start with monthly perspective. First delete all thing. Okay, already clear. So at this point, now you can see here, market break the structure is here. Before this structure break the structure, what happening in the left side? You can see this is a clean liquidity sweep, correct? Market taken out this liquidity, and after taking out this liquidity, then very highly chances market take a reversal till at least this level. Okay, so market sweep this liquidity and push downside, and this is an area when we are always looking for the sell to apply entry tab 3. So our major high or low is here, and push downside and exactly here, and again this one is a break of structure, close below it, and then what happened? Market pushed upside. First inducement is here, engineering liquidity is here. So basically these are 2 points when we are anticipating for the sell. And here, then market break this structure, and this one is called break of structure, and market again push upside, and this one is our major low. And this is a new low, sorry, new high. Market taken out this low and build new lower low is here. And again, market break the structure is here. And finally, market again break the structure is here. And now market turn bullish to bearish. And after break this structure, what happened here? And now you can see where is our first inducement after break the structure is here. Correct. But market did not push upside, but market create new low in a downside. So what should you do in this case? You have to wait for the taking out this inducement, correct, or develop a new price range like this, break this, and then this high act like inducement and push downside. So same thing happen here. Market break again, break the structure is here. Okay, so where is our inducement? The next inducement is here, correct? But market is still not break this high. And then what happened? Market break this low and sweep this high, sorry, sweep this low is here. And this high act like our first inducement. And then what happened? Market taken out this inducement, tap on this supply zone, and then we can sell. So generally, as per our plan, this is a single leg till this zone. Okay, and we are expecting if price break this low and close below it, so this become our new break of structure. Okay, so this become our new structure. If not break this structure and market push upside, okay, to mitigate this engineer liquidity which is here, and then we can again sell. And this inducement line act like an engineering liquidity because this is the highest point before the sell at this point. Okay, so generally this is overall idea in a monthly perspective in a GBP USD. Now let's switch into the little bit lower time frame in a weekly and then 4-hour daily. Okay, so this is the overall structure in a monthly perspective. Now let's switch into the weekly perspective. Okay, what happened?
We didn't hear your voice. Hello.
Mr. Khan, we don't listen. We don't listen. We have no voice here.
Okay. Now you can.
Yeah,
Okay,
now
now
it's
that's
okay.
good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry for the no audio. Okay. So generally, this is our 4-hour structure, and price taken out the recent high is here, and this is a confirm low because market taken out the recent high, and then market break the structure close below it. So this is a confirm high, and again break the structure is here. Okay. Then what happened here? You can see this is not a structure. Why? Because market did not break the minor structure. After break the structure close below it, this is not our structure. Why? Because market did not taken out the previous high. Correct. So what we can in this situation, you have to wait for the market taken out this low, okay, or market taken out the recent high, which is here. Okay, you have two probability for the buy or sell. So in this case, market taken out this low. So where is our inducement, which is here? Okay, and this is our inducement, and this order block looking for the sell. Correct. This is overall scenario in a 4-hour in a GBP/USD. Okay, and this one is not break of structure. This one is still a counter trend between this, like this. Correct. Market taken out this inducement and push downside. Okay, so this is overall idea in a 4-hour. Now let's switch into the 15-minute. In a 15-minute structure, this one market break the structure is here and close below it, and then again push downside and create new low is here, and taking out the recent high, which is here, and after taking out this high, market confirm this low. And where is our new high or low? Is here. Okay, break the structure first inducement, and where is our engineering liquidity? I think here. I think this order block is already mitigated. So this high. Okay, so this point act like an engineering liquidity, and this one is our extreme order block in a 15-minute. Okay, and this one is our 4-hour inducement. Okay, if market taken out tap here and showing some reaction, then you have to sell. Okay, till this zone. Okay, if market failed to this level, then very highly chances market taken out this high. Okay, then market we can see some push downside because this is our 4-hour inducement. Okay, so overall idea is a bearish in a GBP USD, Euro USD, but lower time frame looking bearish, looks bullish, trying to recover upside. Okay, so you have to wait for the some mitigation on the zone before the buy and sell. So this is a scenario in a 15-minute in a GBP USD. I think now we should move on the another pair. Bitcoin, a little bit, I think BTC. Quick update about Bitcoin. BTC. USD. I marked this already structure, but I don't know. As I mentioned in a previous markup, this is a order block when we are anticipating price to recover upside before the buy or sell. So this is a weekly order block, which is here because it's took out the previous candle low is here. And in a 4-hour chart, I think is trying to recover upside is here. Market create a new low is here. It's taken out this high is a inducement, and at this point supply, and after tap this zone we can sell, continue. And in a 1-hour structure, I think no 15-minute structure, at this 15-minute structure, market taken out the first inducement. Where is our new demand is here. Market taken out this high. This is the first inducement. Tap on this order block. Again, this order block, break the structure. This is a smart money trap. And what happened? This is our inducement. And again, tap on this. And then continue sell. Correct. And this one is also smart money trap. Again, market taken out this high is here. And then tap on this order flow. Break the structure, taken out this high, and again tap on this. Because market momentum is bearish. Okay. And again, what happened? Market taken out this inducement and tap here. Correct. So this is the overall structure in a Bitcoin. Okay. And now trying to recover upside, and probably market break this high, which is here in a 4-hour structure. This high at least. Okay. And then we can see some continuation to the upside. Okay, because market in a Bitcoin, it's take some deeper pullback to the upside. So these are 3 pairs analysis which I share in a higher time frame perspective to lower time frame. So now let's start some question answer. So who wanna ask first question? So anybody wants to ask any question?
Yes, sir. I have question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. What is like SMC trap?
Okay. Have you watched all videos which I mentioned on a Discord?
Yeah. You watch.
Okay. Actually, smart money trap is without liquidity, without inducement. If you are buying any specific order block, it's called smart money trap. For example, market is a bearish, correct? Okay. And you are trying to buy here. Like this is a boss and you are trying to buy here. But you know this on this order block, before this order block, there is no inducement, no liquidity. Then why are you selling here? Because most of the traders, smart money traders, looking here for sell, because this is a clean order block is here and everybody looking here for sell to the downside. But this is actually not high probability. This is a low probability because high probability zone is here. Why? Because this high act like a inducement, correct? So this high act like an inducement. And why? Because these point induce the new traders for the buy, sorry, sell. And they are putting the stop loss just above it. Okay. So this high act like a inducement and this zone act like a smart money trap. Okay. And after break this structure and people are looking here for buy on the downside. And then what happened? Market take again pull back and push downside and again taken out this high and again push downside. And this zone is also called smart money trap because they know this is our chalk or boss in a lower time frame, anticipating price go higher. Market give a reaction and then fail to hold this zone and push downside. And then market taken out this high and you can sell here. Correct. So every point when smart money traders looking for buy on any order block. Okay. So without inducement, without liquidity. So that's called smart money trap. If liquidity already sweep, then you are buying, then it's a correct for the buy. You have to always wait for the inducement and liquidity taken out before the buy or sell.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. What is the structure between structure and normal structure? Already mentioned in part 1 about structure. Actually, minor structure is here. Normal structure is here. Okay. Everyone looking here for creating lower lows like this. So this is a general structure, correct? But if you are looking for the advanced structure, so at this point, how actually structure create? Like this. Okay. Okay. So generally market create like this structure, not this one. Okay. This is a real type and this is a real structure. Okay. So this one is our real structure because market move like this, not like this, because this is a when we are read in on some YouTube and some Instagram and other traders and some books, they teach you that market creating lower low. So this one is called bearish structure. But in reality, market never move like this. Market move something like this. Okay. And when market taken out the first high, so this low is a confirm because everything happen with a logic. Without logic doesn't work in a forex market. Market break the structure is here, correct? And this low confirm. Why? Because market taken out this high is here. Okay. And then where is our next break of structure? When market push downside and close below it without close above it. Okay. So if market did not taken out this high and close below it, so this one is our called break of structure. Okay. And then where is our next low is to confirm? Let me draw this one. When market taken out this high. Okay, this is our inducement. Correct. So this is our inducement. So this lower low is a confirm. And where is our new lower high confirm? When market break this low and close below it. Okay, so actually this is a normal structure and this is our advanced structure, and nobody talk about this advanced structure. I hope you understand.
Yeah, for example, when we are taking the entries, do we have to use the normal structure or the advanced structure? For example, when we are taking the entries, the price come to our supply or our demand, do we have to use the advanced or the normal structure?
Actually, when market tap on the supply and demand, then you don't need to wait for the this structure always, and you can take this entry, because when market tap on a specific demand and supply zone, then you have to take entry aggressively. Just follow this normal structure. You can follow this structure also, and this one is also good. Okay, but on this entry point, doesn't matter which structure you are following, but to mark the major structure, you should follow this advanced structure.
So, like the normal structure is when the market breaks the external and the external liquidity, and the advanced structure is when market breaks and the internal liquidity. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. I have a problem in
Hi,
the
Mr. Khan.
Yeah, how are you, man?
Yeah, just a quick one. Between 4 hour and then 15 minutes, which of them do you prefer in terms of liquidity? If in case 4 hour did not confirm, but 15-minute confirm extreme, should we consider that one, or we should wait for 4 hours to confirm it still? Thank you.
Okay. Actually, if we are day trader, especially take out the entry as per the 1 minute structure, lower time frame entry as per the 1 minute. So you should follow the 15-minute high or low sweep, because if you are looking for the entry in a 1 minute, then 10 to 20 minutes, between the 10 to 20 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, and 20 minute is enough for the liquidity sweep and mark the major structure. I think you don't need to wait for the 4 hour demand supply tab and taken out the liquidity inducement, whatever. Okay, so 15-minute high or
Okay.
low is enough for as a day trader.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You can watch a recorded session which I posted a few hours ago in a one-to-one server. So where I already mentioned these things in details about some time frame correlation, and I will make a video sure about this topic. Okay, which I will mention all about things that how we can use multiple time frame into lower time frame, and which time frame is more suitable for you in our strategy. Okay, because I don't want a more complicated for you, because it's when you move many time frames, then you confuse, most of the time confuse, because 4 hour is a bullish and 15-minute is bearish, and then most of the traders confused, then 1 minute is also looking bullish, so it's take a little bit confused. So I will make 2-3 times only. I will make you 2 types and 3 types of time frame only, because they will help you a lot to understand what is major time frame and what is a minor time frame, and how we can take entry in a lower time frame, right? And I hope it's take 1 or 2 days to complete this video, and then I will publish on our Discord. And if any time frame is suitable for you, for example, if suitable 4 hour for you, then you can use. It's not any specific time frame for the day trading, swing trading. It's depend on you and your style, correct? But I will show you, give you some specific point, some specific time frame, which will actually help you to understand things. So any more question? If anybody wants, you can ask me.
Liquidity sweep.
Okay, liquidity
just
sweep is
wondering.
generally when market taken out this high or low and close above or below it. So it's generally called liquidity sweep. For example, here. Okay, so this is our liquidity sweep. Okay.
But sir, next candle ने तो sir body के साथ close किया है sir.
No. It doesn't matter. You can see next candle is here. So this candle, correct. So it's not necessary. Okay, price must be closed above it and clearly. Okay. So this one.
Means sir in this type of situation we have considered the liquidity sweep.
So yeah, this one is a liquidity sweep and this one is also liquidity sweep. Market taken out this low and close above it. So this one is also liquidity sweep, correct?
Yes sir.
And this one is also liquidity sweep. Okay, so this is a liquidity sweep. So anybody wants any more question, can ask me. Then
Sir here sir इस जगह पे sir देखिए sir इस जगह पे sir.
so simple thing is here. If you confuse at this point, for example, okay, at this point is a 15 minute, and if you are looking as per the 15 minute, this is a clean break of structure because market close above it, correct? And sometime confusion here like this, then you can little bit go higher time frame to see exactly that liquidity sweep or change of character. Okay, for example, if you are looking here on the 1 minute, then you have to switch into the 5 minute to see exactly that this is actually liquidity sweep or break of structure. Okay, when you are switching a little bit higher time frame, then you can see exactly a bigger picture. Okay, then you here like this. Okay, so this is also liquidity sweep in a 15 minute, correct? And at this point, if you can see, I think 5 minute is also look at here. In a 1 minute structure, you can see price close below it. Okay, every candle close below it. When you switch into the little bit higher time frame, then you can see exactly what is liquidity sweep or just a break of structure. Then you can see at this point, this is just liquidity sweep, not break of structure, correct?
Yes.
So any more question or should we finish this session?
Sir, if you don't mind, I would like to request that me and the other students who have finished video course, like to make simulation sessions or practicing within this week to understand how this strategy works clearly. Maybe we could get a chance this week.
Can you repeat again?
I said, I would like to request you that, me and the other students who finish the video courses, to make a simulation session or maybe back testing, to understand, the entries, how to take the entry, type of entries, like management and, candle confirmations and all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, I will do. Okay, so let me finish this session, and I will upload shortly on a Discord, and from Monday you will get some homework and some quiz, okay, to improve your skill. And I will be available entire week this upcoming week, because last 2 weeks was very busy schedule. So from the Monday you will get everything, like a weekly quiz and homework and some case studies, okay, and markup, everything.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. So thank you for attending this session, and have a nice weekend.
Okay, thank you.